How to uninstall fonts from Windows 11. If you would like to uninstall fonts from Windows 11, it is actually quite simple because sometimes you might have downloaded a third-party font to your system which you decide that you want to uninstall it. Uninstalling it is a straightforward process. From your home screen, right-click your mouse and then just go to the option called Personalize. Once you go to the option called Personalize, you will come under the Personalization page by default on Settings. Over here, you simply have to scroll until you find the option that says Fonts. So here you can click on Font. Now you can either choose a certain file of the font and then install those fonts here. And at the bottom of the available font section, you'll be able to find a list of fonts that is installed on the computer. If you think that a certain one is not in your need, then you can just click on the three dots next to it, and in there you'll find the option called Uninstall, which you can follow the instructions to uninstall it. This way you'll be able to change fonts on Windows 11. I hope that this video helped you out as to how you can uninstall. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.